The Federal and Vale Hospital jointly present the Madurai Marathon 2025. This event is co-presented by Walking Shoe Company and powered by PSNA College of Engineering and Technology and Tucker EV Chargers. Run for Bone and Joint Health on Sunday, December 21. Entry is free. All are welcome. A dramatic incident unfolded in Gujarat's Jamnagar on December 5, where a public meeting of the Aam Aadmi Party took an unexpected turn. A person threw a shoe at Aam Aadmi Party MLA Gopal Italia from Visawadar when the latter was addressing a public meeting.
ઉપર અધિકારો ઉપર તો થોડીક દયા ખાજો કે આવી હાલતમાં નથી જીવવાનું આનાથી ઘણું સારું જીવી શકાય.
The man who threw the shoe at Italia has been identified as Congress worker Chhatrapal Singh Jadeja. The confrontation began during Italia's address at AAP's event, where several Congress councillors had just joined the party. As Italia continued his speech, a man seated near the stage suddenly stood up and hurled a shoe towards him. Italia managed to shield himself and was unharmed. Chaos broke out immediately. Some media reports say that AAP workers rushed at the man and beat him before police personnel stepped in and took him away for medical treatment. But Italia says Jadeja was brought in by the police.
जब मैंने बोलना चालू किया तब तो स्टेज के पास कोई नहीं था. जैसे मेरी 15-20 मिनट की स्पीच आगे बढ़ी, उसके बाद अचानक से काफी सारे पुलिस वाले स्टेज के नजदीक आ गए. क्योंकि मैं भी पुलिस में रहा हूँ, मुझे ये पुलिस का मूवमेंट जो है वो थोड़ा मुझे लगा कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. मैं भी सोच रहा था बोलते बोलते, और ऐसी टाइम अचानक से भीड़ में से एक आदमी ने खड़ा होकर मेरे ऊपर चप्पल फेंकी और मुझे मारने की कोशिश करी. जैसे ही उसने मेरे ऊपर चप्पल फेंकी, पुलिस उसको एस्कॉर्ट करके ले जाने के लिए भागी. इसका साफ साफ ये मतलब है कि पुलिस इसको लेके आई, जैसे ही जूता मार लिया तो जनता से बचा के उसको भागने लगे.
Hours later, Jadeja appeared in a viral video where he claimed he acted out of revenge, referring to an old incident in which Italia had thrown a shoe at former Gujarat Minister Pradeep Singh Jadeja. In a statement to the media, Italia said he did not wish to file a complaint and added that incidents like these would not stop AAP's work. He suggested that those in power should focus on public service rather than resorting to such actions.
बीजेपी की सरकार है, उनके पास पुलिस है, प्रशासन है, सारा सिस्टम उनके पास है. आपको अगर हमें रोकना है, आम आदमी पार्टी को रोकना है, तो आप जाके जनता का काम करिए. हमारे ऊपर असॉल्ट करने से, हमारे ऊपर इस तरीके से चप्पल फेंकने से जनता का कोई भला नहीं होगा. मैं बीजेपी वाले से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप ऐसी हरकतों से ऊपर उठ जाइए. इस तरीके से हम डरने वाले भी नहीं हैं और इस तरीके से आपका कोई फायदा नहीं है. आपको अगर जनता का प्यार चाहिए तो आप जनता का काम करिए, मेरे ऊपर चप्पल मत फेंकिए.
AAP leaders quickly linked the episode to political tension in the state. Party chief Arvind Kejriwal said the party's rising popularity in Gujarat had unsettled both the BJP and Congress, alleging that the two were now united in opposing AAP's growth. Meanwhile, the Congress distanced itself from the incident. Gujarat Congress President Amit Chavda condemned the act and said the party had no role in it. He remarked that while political disagreement is natural, such behavior is unacceptable. As reactions continue to pour in, the incident has added fresh friction to Gujarat's political landscape, with all sides framing the episode to suit their narratives. The Federal and Vale Hospital jointly present the Madurai Marathon 2025. This event is co-presented by Walking Shoe Company, powered by PSNA College of Engineering and Technology and Tucker EV Chargers. Run for Bone and Joint Health on Sunday, December 21. Entry is free. All are welcome.